stream of powers are saying on Mirase Ali and Nahjul Balagha Manzoom were being continued together from the beginning of this year. During this period, Corona COVID-19 arrived and people in large number began to eat at our Astana. These people were confused and horrified in condition of poor faith. Immediately, the thought came in my mind that these people do not know their power. The people have forgotten the blessing of Allah. They are unknown from powerful moment. There came a hadith of our Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, in my mind. This hadith is related to Hazrat Abu Huraira on Muslim has narrated it.